Everybody, today we are going to see the supplementary book back exercise, supplementary question and answer. Already we saw the prose question answer. After that we saw poem question answer. Now yesterday only I gave you poem question answer. Today I'm going to tell you the supplementary question and answer for you. So you all must note down in your notebooks. After that you have to send to my WhatsApp number separately. That means privately, okay? Not in a group. Not in a group. So you must uh, finish your classworks. Okay, what I'm giving to you. Must write each and every questions. So today I'm going to tell you the question answers. Identify the speaker. So first one, the fill in the blanks. The answer for the first question was to have a council of wise men to fix the proper time for everything. Magicians were referred to know the right time for every action. The king decided to consult a hermit. The king decided to consult a hermit. Now identify the speaker. Who said these words? They all answered his questions differently. Who? Learned men. How can I learn to do the right thing at the right time? The king. The next one. Now rest a while and let me work a bit. Who? The hermit. Now the short answers. So, what were the king's questions? The king's questions were: what is the right time for every action? Who are the most necessary people? What was the most important thing to do? The next question, I'm going to the next question. Was the king satisfied with the answers? Why? No, the king was not satisfied with the answers because all the answers were different. Why was the king advised to go to the magicians? There were some things about which one had at once to decide whether to undertake them or not. In order to decide that, one must know beforehand what is going to happen. It was only magicians who know that. So the king was advised to go to the magicians. Okay. So what they are asking means, why was the king advised to go to the magicians? So for that what they are telling means, there were some things about which one had at once to decide whether to undertake them or not. So in order to decide that, one must know beforehand what is going to happen. So it was only magicians who know that. So the king was advised to go to the magicians. The last question, I'm coming to the last question. Whose advice did the people say would be important to the king in answer to the second question? So understand the question. After that only you have to write the answer. Okay. So understand the question now. So what means, whose advice did the people? Who advice did the people say would be important to the king in answer to the? Whose advice did the people say would be important to the king in answer to the second question? Some said that the advice of his counselors would be important. Others mentioned the priest and some others the doctors. Some said that the advice of the warriors would be important. Some said that the advice of his counselors would be important. Others mentioned the priest and some others the doctors. Some said that the advice of the warriors would be important. So next I'm going to the paragraph questions. Okay. So what were the answers to the three questions? What is the message of the hermit? What are the answers to the three questions? What is the message of the hermit? The most important time was when the king was digging the beds. The most important time was when the king was digging the beds. The hermit was the most important person. The hermit was the most important person. To do him good was his most important business. To do him good was his most important business. Afterwards, the most important time was when the king was attending to the wounded man. If the king had not bound his wounds, the bad man would have died without making peace with him. So he was the important man. What the king did for him was his most important business. Thus the king got the answers. Thus the king got the answers for his 3 questions. The message is that now is the most important time and the most necessary person is the one with whom you are. So the most important thing is to do that person good. The next question is, why did the bearded man ask for the king's forgiveness? What did the king to do show his forgiveness? The bearded man planned to avenge himself on the king because the king executed his brother and seized his property. But he was severely wounded by the king's guards. When he came out from his hiding place to find the king, not knowing anything about his attempt to kill him, the king saved his life by attending to him. He took great care in washing and bandaging his wound. The act of mercy on the part of the king moved the wounded man's heart. So he asked for the king's forgiveness. The king forgave him. He arranged for his servants and his own doctor to attend him. He promised to restore his property. So I have given you the small question answers as well as the paragraph also. So you must finish off this small questions. After that you have to write the paragraph also. So your handwriting must be neat and legible. Your handwriting should be should be neat and legible. You should not scribble in your notebooks. Okay, so after you finished everything, you must take a photocopy of your note and send it to my WhatsApp number. Got it, everybody? Okay, so I have asked the prose question answers also, so please go thorough in your prose question answers as well as the poem question answers. So I'm asking you for the 10 marks alone. Choose the best answers. After that, I have asked the question answers only. I have given 5 questions alone, only 5 questions, and I have given you the one word questions also. Okay, so you must write your test properly. Okay, I have asked only simple questions. So daily you have to go through your lessons. Daily you have to study and you must write in your note. Okay, thank you for watching this video.